And the race is on. Kitty West, Sir Ferdinand Chekons Best Nara. Top Connection and Beyond Good is the early trailer. It's Chekons Best followed by Kitty West alongside Nara. In between runners, Sir Ferdinand Danori inside Top Connection is racing impeded by about 3 lengths. Beyond Good still running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Chekons Best by a length and a half. Nara the favorite in second. Alongside is Kitty West. Sir Ferdinand racing forward by another length and racing impeded by another 3 lengths. Beyond Good. Top Connection and passing the half mile post. Chekons Best by a length and a half. Kitty West. Nara in between runners. Sir Ferdinand, Beyond Good and Top Connection. And passing the last 700, Nara, the favorites, now the leader. Kitty West, Chekons Best, Sir Ferdinand, Beyond Good. Also joining them and stop running, number 5, Top Connection. Nara, Kitty West is already outside. Beyond Good, Sir Ferdinand, Chekons Best as the action swing towards the long stretch run with the favorite Nara by ahead. Kitty West sorry outside. Nara, Kitty West fighting for the lead. Kitty by the roll. Kitty West, Nara. But Kitty West this time by a length and a half. And finally, Kitty West, Nara, Sir Ferdinand, Beyond Good. And Chekons Best comes last.
Ay,
Bakit ganon?
dihado
Hindi
pa
man lang yan.
lumalabas
Top
yan.
Connection ba ano? 643 di ba?